Hello children, today we will read chapter 8 in AVS celebration time. Through this chapter we will learn about festivals of India. We celebrate all the festivals with joy, fun and togetherness. There are two types of festivals: national festivals, religious festivals. National festivals. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January and Independence Day on 15th of August. Religious festivals. Diwali. Diwali is also known as the Festival of Light. People decorate their homes with diya, candles, flowers and rangoli. Hindus worship goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. On this festival, people exchange gifts and sweets. They enjoy delicious feast and wear new clothes. Holi. Holi is a religious spring festival celebrated by Hindus. It is a festival celebrated with color, water, and the exchange of sweets. Dussehra is one of the festivals celebrate victory of good over evil. Durga Puja, Onam and Pongal are major festivals celebrated in the different parts of the country. Eid. Eid ul-Fitr is celebrated by the people of Muslim community. It is celebrated after a month of fasting during the holy month of Ramzan. On the day of Eid, they prepare delicious delicacies and greet their near and dear ones. Muslims go to the mosque to offer their prayers. Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated by the members of the Sikh faith. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of their first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. They take out a colorful procession heading towards the Gurudwara and serve prasad. Guru ka langar is prepared and served. Christmas. Christmas Christian festival celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ 25th of December. People decorate the Christmas tree. They wear new clothes, prepare sweets, gift, cakes and greet their family and friends. Santa Claus is said to leave gifts for children. Now we will do an activity related to your chapter. We will make festival start. Festivals of India. We need a colorful paper, Fevikwik, marker, scissor and some festivals pictures. First we will write festival's name. After that we will paste pictures according to name. First, Republic Day, we will paste here Republic Day picture. Second, Independence Day, we paste Independence Day picture. Gandhi Jayanti, we will paste picture of Gandhi Jayanti. Dussehra, we will paste picture of Dussehra. Diwali is a festival of light. We will paste picture of Diwali. Holi is the festival of colors. Durga Puja, we will paste picture of Durga Puja. Onam, we will paste picture of Onam. Pongal, Gurupurb, Eid ul Fitr, and Christmas. Now chart is ready. Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Dashera, Diwali, Holi, Durga Puja, Onam, Pongal, Gurupurb, Eid ul Fitr, Christmas. Okay students? Practice at home, learn festivals name. Bye.